Hey guys, welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravey, and as promised, a very quick look at my Cascarillo Amber Ale. As you can see, I've just pulled a little sample from the fermenter. The fermenter is now in that cupboard, as always. I've pitched the yeast. I think I referenced it earlier. WLP 008. East Coast yeast, I think that was. Anyway, that's by the by. You'll see it when the full video comes out in a couple of weeks. So anyway, again, here is just a little sample of the wort I've pulled from the fermenter, and as it kind of looked, or as it kind of predicted on my Brewfather app, if I can get the hydrometer to behave itself, I would say that that is around about 1.036. So depending on the final gravity, which I will obviously be determining in a few days, I'm probably looking at a 3.5% beer, which I'm not disappointed with. To say that this is probably my first attempt at a all-grain version of a Cascarillo Amber Ale, I'm actually pretty pleased with it. And again, I'll give you another update in a few days when the gravity has gone down. When I'm determining final gravity, I'll let you know where we're at. And guys, well, for now, that's all I've got for you. So until next time, from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravey. I'll see you later. Cheers.